Well, today I'm in beautiful Vero Beach, Florida, but I'm going to leave here and head over to the classic car show in Indialantic. Come along with me and let's check it out. Taking a quick look here at the car show in Indialantic, Florida. Hot and humid day. Some people are already picking up and leaving, but really got some beautiful vehicles here. Look at this. Guy's getting a lot of attention right here.
Salty Fox.
Now this vehicle here, I got featured on one of my shorts. This is really amazing. This is a 1948 Cadillac, and it's got a Tommy gun back there. And this vehicle is really something else. Look at this vehicle. I don't know what type it is. Maybe you do, folks. I don't see any information on it, and the owner's not around. But isn't that something? Look at this. This is a 1933 Ford 5-window coupe. I believe that's what they told me it was. Look at this. Need electrical services? Beautiful vehicle. All right. Now we got to go take a look at this yellow Chevrolet.
Yeah.
How you doing?
All right.
This yours?
Yeah.
Beautiful. What year is it?
It's a 62.
Yeah. So you said you got this from California, John?
Yeah, some guy from California.
Right.
And I bought it to have something to do upstate.
Right.
And they have a car show up by my mom's house called the Bear Mountain State Car Show. And my mom is 92, and she says no about everything. So I tricked her and told her I was taking her out to dinner.
Nice.
And I took her in the yellow car, and I took her to the Bear Mountain Car Show, and we had a ball. She loved it. She went back 2 more times.
Nice. Here's a 1962 Oldsmobile 85 Cutlass, preserved for over 60 years. Look at that. And we got Howdy Doody in there. I believe that's Howdy Doody. Look at this. Well, I hope you've enjoyed this look at the Indialantic Classic Car Show. Not a real big car show, but they always have a lot of beautiful cars there. And they usually have it about once a month. Great cars, nice people, and it's fun to check out all the cars. I hope you're happy, healthy, taking care of yourself. Watch some more videos. And what is it I always say? Oh, that's right. We will see you soon.